Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maureen. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my straight hair throughout the weeks. My hair has been straight for 2 weeks currently. I normally go around 3 weeks when I have a silk press or my hair straight. I can go 4, but the only reason why I wash my hair at around 3 weeks is because I get a lot of dandruff and my head starts to itch really bad around the 3-week mark. So I only really go 3 weeks. But my hair, like I said, is on week 2. It's still super straight. It is getting a little oily, so it's not as, like, it doesn't have as much movement as it did the first 2 weeks, but it still looks good. So I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my hair, how I wrap it at night, go to sleep, what I do when I take a shower so it doesn't revert and all of that. I'm going to start with how I wrap my hair at night. I've never learned how to traditionally wrap my hair, so I don't wrap my hair because I cannot. I don't know how. When my hair was longer, I used to wrap my hair in this way, where I would take it into 2 just sections, and well, let me show you. I'll comb my hair going back so it's smooth, and take my hair in 2 sections, split down the middle, and then crisscross it like this and put my scarves on that way. My hair, as you could see, was like falling out. It's just too short to do that. So what I've been doing when I go to sleep is I'll take a silk or satin scrunchie and I'll comb my hair back into a smooth ponytail, making sure it's taut, and I put my scrunchie on, and then I'll take a big scarf, a big silk or satin scarf. You need a big one. And I halve it. I fold it in half. So it's like a triangle. And then I put it on like so. And it slips back, so you want to make sure it's like over your forehead. And what I do, I make sure it's over my ears. So if you put it behind your ears, you see like your edges are still out. I make sure it's over my ears, so it's covering all of my edges. And then I just tie it up like this. And then I'll take my ponytail out. I'll take the scrunchie off and flatten my hair down and just let it hang like this. And then I go to sleep. I also sleep on a satin pillowcase, so my hair isn't getting too much friction, or since the scarf covers the length of my hair isn't getting rubbed on anything, or my hair isn't rubbing on anything, or the ends aren't getting coarse or poofy. I sleep on my back, so when I'm lying down, this is gonna be like a weird demonstration. So I'm lying down on my back, right? And normally, like, if you lay down, your scarf's gonna be on your back, so it's on your neck. So I'll just take my scarf and like push it to the side where I'm laying down. So it'll be like this. But because it's like a silk scarf, it's not gonna leave your hair in a bent kind of way. So that's how I wrap my hair at night. And in the morning, all I do is take it off and comb it out. And for the most part, it stays straight. Every now and then, my hair may be like a little wonky on one side. And if that's the case, I'll just like go over it with my flat iron really quick on a low setting. But nothing major. So that's how I wrap my hair at night when I go to sleep. When I take showers, I take really hot showers, and I never have a problem with my hair reverting in the shower. What I'll do when I'm in the shower, I don't wrap my hair just because that's not what I do. I think if you know how to wrap your hair, wrapping your hair up when you take a shower will ultimately work really well. But for me, all I do is put my hair in a really tight ponytail, making sure it's all smoothed down. The key is to like making sure your ponytails are smooth and taut, and using a silk or satin scrunchie, because these scrunchies don't leave dents in your hair. So you can leave a scrunchie, if it's a silk or satin scrunchie, you can leave it in your hair for hours. When you take your hair down, you're not gonna have a dent in your hair because of the material. And then I take this scarf. This is a smaller scarf that I just folded in half. It's like this big. But I take this scarf, and same thing. Well, actually, sometimes I just put it, I don't really care about putting it over my ears. I just put it on to make sure to cover my edges and tie it up. So the key for taking a shower is just making sure your edges are smoothed down and your hair is pulled tight. Also, I put on my bonnet. And for my bonnet, I make sure that my edges are fully covered. So you don't want your edges to be out. So cover your edges. And then, because my bonnet is kind of long and droopy, I take my bonnet and I'll put a scrunchie just so my bonnet is not drooping down, because if your hair is on your neck or close to your neck, you'll have a higher chance of sweating out your hair in the shower. You don't want your hair touching your neck. So this is how I take a shower. I don't use a shower cap because to me, shower caps it's kind of like deep conditioning. When you deep condition, you put a plastic baggie or a shower cap on your head, and you're baking the heat and the steam inside of your head. So I don't use shower caps. To me, that just increases your chances of your hair reverting and increases your hair steaming and sweating your scalp out. So I never have problems with my hair sweating out when I just have my bonnet on and my hair off of my neck. Also, you want to keep in mind that how quickly your hair will revert is also dependent on your hair porosity. So if you have high porosity hair, your hair may revert quicker than somebody who has low porosity hair or medium porosity. I have a low porosity hair. So my hair is straight. It's pretty much straight until I wash it. And the only problem or the only issue I may have is my edges sweating out if I work out really intense throughout the week. I haven't been working out that intense lately. When I work out, it's the same thing. I just pull my hair in a really tight ponytail and sometimes put my hair in a claw clip. I'll put my hair up in a claw clip. You want to keep your hair off of your neck. I think that's the main key of maintaining your straight hair, is keeping it off your neck if you know you sweat a lot on your neck. And also your neck below your nape area has a lot of heat. So when you take a shower, just make sure your hair is off your neck. When you go to sleep, if your hair is just down like mine, kind of like push it to the side to keep it off your neck. So that's how I take care of my hair and maintaining its straightness. This will last me 3 weeks. It will honestly last me more, but I get bad dandruff, so I have to wash my hair after 3 weeks. I can't go longer than 3 weeks. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Follow me on my TikTok. I post a lot of videos there. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.